Hi, I'm Jean Zimba, Principal for Mosaic Digital Academy. We are excited to welcome new and returning students, and we look forward to an amazing school year again. As the principal, a mother myself, and now a grandparent, I'm keenly aware of the many questions students and parents may have as they launch a new school year. With online learning comes a new way of thinking about learning. Rest assured, our team has a variety of strategies to onboard students and to keep them engaged and working toward successfully completing their online courses. Here are a few answers to your right now questions pertaining to attendance, a free resource, live day schedules, drop-off and pickup procedures, dress code, and communication methods. Of course, feel free to contact me if you have any additional questions. To be in good standing in their online courses, students do need to complete all assignments for each course each week according to their PACE guides provided by their instructors. Students will in general complete approximately 6% of their courses each week, with 100% completion expected by December 21st to earn credit for their first semester courses. Additionally, students must complete assignments in order and not skip around. Skipping around can cause a great deal of confusion and could result in poor performance on assignments. When students remain within 10% of the master PACE expectation guide shown here, they will avoid receiving an attendance alert on Mondays. More information about attendance can be found in the student handbook. Our partners, Florida Virtual School, has long required its students to participate in collaboration assignments as part of their course requirements. Rationale for collaboration assignments has been tied to the business world, where people need to have to work together with peers and to solve problems and create reports and products. The Mosaic Digital Academy policy surrounding collaboration assignments is left up to the instructor of the course. As a staff, we are encouraging collaboration assignments, which often plays a key role in deepening content knowledge and often can boost the overall segment grade as students share the responsibility of the work. If the instructor informs students that the collaboration assignments is not required, parents or students must submit a request to have the assignments exempted, which will only apply to that particular course. A free Office 365 download is available by visiting the web address shown here and by following the instructions available on that web page. Students do need their 10-digit student identification number to formulate the required district email address shown on this page, as this is their username required to complete the download. This is a completely free resource from St. Lucie County Public Schools. Our highly qualified full-time instructors are on campus 3 days a week to support student learning. Teachers help students set goals for their day and monitor their work habits as they work alongside peers in our highly equipped computer lab. Teachers offer direct instruction sessions to deepen content learning, especially for state-tested subjects. Please see upcoming direct instruction sessions posted in your FLVS Message Center and often posted on the course announcements page for the students. Our arrival time is 8:45 a.m. on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and our pickup time is 3:30 p.m. Our St. Lucie Public Schools early release days dismissal is 1:30 p.m. and is handled the same way that a regular dismissal is handled. When dropping off or picking up your students during our normal arrival and pickup times, all vehicles must remain in the parent lane closest to the front of the school. Once your car has stopped directly in front of the school, your child may exit the car or enter the car closest to the curb for safety. Please be advised that school staff are not permitted to walk your child to a parked car or allow your child to walk to a parked car. All vehicles must use the parent loop during regular arrival and pickup times. If students are needing to be dismissed outside of our regular dismissal time, parents should contact our Mosaic Digital Academy office at 772-429-5504 to inform our staff of the impending arrival so our staff can be prepared to send your child to the front office. Parents must park and come to the front office to sign their child out of school outside of our regular school times. If this is a district-wide early release parent day, parents will handle the arrival at the same as a regular day. There is no pickup or drop-off in the area where the red arrow is. We have new door entry protocols in place. All visitors must come to the double doors to the front entrance and press the buzzer. State your purpose when asked by the attendant. Once verified, the visitor will be buzzed into the building. Visitors must proceed to the front desk of the office and provide a photo identification. All visitors who are buzzed into the front entry must close the door behind them and ask other visitors behind them to wait, as you are not permitted to hold the door open for others not yet cleared for entry. Remember, safety first. If students are walking home alone or with another student, they will need a note from the parent or guardian to our administration for our records. Student drivers will require a free parking permit available in our office. Student drivers will park in the parking lot at Minsky Gym next to Windmill Point Elementary. Here are a few friendly reminders covered in this presentation. Safety first, use the parent loop instructions. Arrival time is 8:45 a.m. Pickup time is 3:30 p.m. If picking up your child at other times, parents must park and show proper identification to enter the campus to sign out their child in the front office. It's always good to give our Mosaic Digital Academy staff a heads up. Call our office at 772-429-5504. Please have your child follow the dress code policies that we've provided. We are having our student ID badges printed. Please make sure that your child picks up their ID badges in the front office. They must be worn on campus. They'll replace those badges in the front office before leaving campus. Parents must use their own parent account in the FLVS, not their child's account, as we are a SIPA compliant school district. For more details about SIPA, please contact our Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Terrence O'Leary. Please contact any of your child's teachers for instructions on how to create your parent account. Cell phone use is prohibited in common areas of the campus. Teachers have identified specific cell phone use times that do not interfere with our learning. Here's a few ways to get connected. Find us on Facebook. We often post school events, celebrations, and timely communication. Update your Skylert family information to receive official administration communication regarding your child's active enrollment in our virtual program. Check out our student handbook. It contains policies and guidelines for active enrollments in the full-time virtual program. Create and use your FLVS parent account to monitor your students' progress and communicate with your instructors. And finally, get involved with our School Advisory Council. The purpose is to assist in the preparation and evaluation of the results of the school improvement plan and to assist the principal with the annual school budget. Parents of the Mosaic Digital Academy K-12 and community members are invited to participate. And contact our school administrative staff. We have our school secretary, Ms. Christine Witzak, who can be reached at the main office line at 772-429-5504, our school counselor, Ms. Dana Tilburg, our school ESC specialist and testing coordinator, Ms. Fran Pitts, and myself, Jean Zemba. You can reach me at the main office line or the email provided. Our school office hours are 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. Thank you for choosing to place your trust and confidence in our program and with our staff. We look forward to having an amazing year with our students and families.